Okay, kids, I forgot to tell you how to submit your assignment. 我忘记跟大家讲怎么样submit your assignment. 可是有一种办法，就是你在找视频的时候，你可以自己把它翻译。视频看不懂的地方，我教你们怎么样把它找翻译的地方。When you look for a video online, let me show you how you guys can turn on the auto translate. Okay? All right. Without further ado, here we go. Teaches me or teaches you how to submit an assignment. Submit an assignment 就是交作业, okay? Now, if you don't understand everything, that's okay. Here is the tool you can do. You can go to settings here. Okay, you can go to settings here. Subtitles 就是把字幕打出来的地方. Subtitles, English, and then it says auto translate, go here. You can click on, 你可以自己压成 Chinese, Simplify, or Traditional, 简体繁体. You can do any other languages as well. You can do Spanish. There you go, Spanish, Swahili, Swedish, Vietnamese. Okay, just to give you some examples. So, 你们就是比如说把它点成是中文 okay? Look at this. Can you see that 字幕已经打开了 Okay, so you can see that it is automatically already showing you the language that you chose.
When it comes time for me to turn my assignment in, I can either add or create an assignment on the fly. And here you'll see I can access my Google Drive. I can also use a link to something on the web, or I can upload a file from my computer. And here I can even create new documents in my Google Drive on the fly. This assignment, however, I was given a worksheet, so I'm going to start by clicking on this document here under my work. This is my prompt, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in. When I'm finished, all I need to do is close this window. Once I'm back in my assignment, if I'm ready to turn it in, I'll click Turn it in.
OK, 那是交作业的地方 OK, 注意到了交作业就会写成说是 turn in. This is where you turn in something. Sometimes teachers will also say submit.